Welcome everyone. Today, we will be discussing a fascinating group of birds, known as parrots, which belong to the family Cacatuidae. There are numerous species within this family, each with its unique features and vibrant colors. The most well-known species of parrots are the Amazon parrots, also known as parakeets. These beautiful birds have distinctive features, such as their large, expressive eyes and a long, bushy tail. They come in various colors, including green, blue, and yellow. Amazon parrots are intelligent, social, and easy to train, making them popular pets and breeding stock. Another popular species is the Fischer's parrot, often found in bright orange and black feathers. With their large, expressive eyes and sharp, bright plumage, these parrots are absolutely stunning. Fischer's parrots are intelligent, social, and easy to handle, making them great pets for families. The African Grey Parrot is another striking species, with their dark gray feathers and distinct, large blue eyes. These parrots are calm, gentle, and highly intelligent, making them excellent pets and breeding stock. They can be quite social and enjoy interaction with their human companions. The bourbon parrot is a unique species with its light brown and white feathers, and unique mask patterning around their eyes and cheeks. These parrots are cheerful, vocal, and affectionate, making them wonderful companions for families and individuals alike. Lastly, we have the red-capped parrot, with their distinct red-orange feathers and black eyes. These parrots are cheerful, social, and intelligent, making them great pets for families and individuals. In conclusion, the Cacatuidae family of parrots is home to a wide variety of beautiful and unique species, each with their own distinct features and colors. These birds are not only wonderful pets, but also valuable breeding stock for enthusiasts and professionals alike.